Have you ever wondered why so many aspiring gas engineers waste thousands on portfolio courses that leave them confused and struggling? Well, here's the brutal truth nobody talks about, and hopeful you agree. Most gas training programs throw you into the deep end with minimal support. You're left hunting for qualified mentors who actually have time to help. Watching your timeline stretch endlessly while your confidence crumbles. Even after passing your ACS exam, you're still clueless about how boilers actually work. The worst part, many new engineers resort to learning repairs through WhatsApp groups and Facebook posts. It's literally the blind leading the blind, and it's costing careers. But what if there was a different way? What if you could complete your gas portfolio with crystal clear guidance? And pass your ACS with genuine confidence and actually understand heating systems inside and out? That's exactly what the A&R Gas Portfolio Mastery Level Training Program delivers. Unlike other courses, this 3-level system ensures you hit the ground running as a competent and confident gas engineer from day one. If this is for you, visit our website www.gasportfolio.net or click on the link below this video.